All right, so this is the third part. The first part we went over the introduction of how the presentation of the Bemer machine in the box. The second part we went over the different devices used for the machine. And then the third part we're going to show you how the Bemer work. Now the other two parts we're going to actually be demonstrating so that you can actually see it in action. Now the first thing I want to share is, this is a very sensitive machine, so you want to make sure it's in a stern location. There's two ports here, if you notice. One of the ports will be connecting the B.E.M.E.R, the B-Body Professional. That's port A, right? That's port A, which is there. Port A. So we're gonna go back, right? You always start in this beginning stage. Now, right now, we're gonna focus on the intensity and the light portion. The other two programmed and special, we'll do that afterwards. So now we focus on A1. A1, we put intensity. Let's start again. We don't want to start big. It's like lifting weights. You always want to start, small and build up. So I'll start with 2. Since I've been using the B.E.M.E.R, I could start with 2. Now, plus, you want to be mindful. If you're not advanced with it, you may just want to take off the plus and just put regular 2, right? So once you do that, you start, and now the body is in motion, right? The B-Body Professional, for anybody with back pain, any issues, this is something that you can use to fortify. And if you notice, it's only 8 minutes for your session. Yes. So you don't need no whole hour or anything. 8 minutes per session. So while someone is actually laying, fortifying themselves backwise, we give them an opportunity to do 2 sessions in 1. So now the other device we have, we can use this device for either the B spot or the B light. So let's start with the B light, right? Automatically connects. Now, if you notice, this port is very important because these things can be easily damaged. So you always want to close this up. And even when you're plugging it in, you want to plug it in down, up, right? So now B light is plugged in. So now when we go to B light, which is 2, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. So B light intense, we will put that at 2, right? But now B light, hold up for a minute. Let's go back. We're going to go to light. Because remember, we're dealing with B light. So you always want to press B light, 8 minutes, right? Let's start at 1 with this one, right? And now once we ready with B light, we press start. And this is what you use to fortify anything dealing with the facial. You have 8 minutes. So while we're doing the body, A1, A2, we're doing anything dealing with the facial, anything dealing with any issues where you need extra light, electrolytes, right? Now, I'm going to stop this one and just show you, well, I'll do this next time. So basically with B spot is the same thing. You'll connect it here. You'll take off the light mode. You put the B spot, and now you use this for any joint pain, any knee issues, any ligament issues. Okay. So I just wanted to give y'all a little demonstration of the machine. And again, when you're using the B light, you always want to have the glasses, right? To make sure that everything, is coordinated and make sure that extra light don't go in the eye. All right, so just want to give you a presentation of the professional Bemer, and next time you can actually see it in action. So if you notice, it's only about 5 more minutes on A1. All right, peace and love, y'all. Get your Bemer power.